Hi, Kevin called back at you. In order to streamline some of the video clips, I decided to cut it off at a certain point here. So to bring it back into perspective here so that we can shorten the clips to 15 minutes, as some people just want to look at a particular clip. They really don't want to view the entire podcast. So the decision was to cut it and trim it at a specific point. So, as we mentioned previously, we were in the process of simulating and prototyping a cold plate leak that occurred. And as I mentioned, we were in the process of continuing to send a task to the back end to perform enforcement action to immediately shut down the server and also kill power to the PDU outlet. So I'm going to continue to roll the video clip here, and eventually what will happen is this task will complete, and then at this point we can go in and check each one of the modules, including the PDU console, to make sure that the outlet was shut down, and then also to make sure the server performed immediate shutdown when the leak occurred. So this task continues to run in the background, and it's as I mentioned, we're just doing this just for a single server. If you had a number of servers that were associated with the rack, you would go through the system mapping to identify each one of those servers that were to an outlet, and then also those servers that would, in essence, be detected with a leak. We would then basically shut down them as well. So you can see that the task is completed. The default leak protection task was initiated to shut down both the PDU and also the server. In here is the metadata you see based on BMC, drawer location, which is the rack slot unit inside the rack. The outlet was actually AC powered off, and other metadata that would be sent to Webhook through Redfish subscription services to essentially provide you a precise location of where the leak was through SMTP or perhaps even through SMS. So we laid the foundation also to generate this into a call tracking system such as Salesforce, ServiceNow, Jira, Slack, whatever entity you wanted to do to push this data appropriately. So let's start the play again for the video clip. So we're going to look at now the PDU console to make sure that the outlet was shut down. There was AC power off and the server was in an off state. As you can see, the server has now been powered off. So the immediate shutdown was successful for this particular GPU server, and the PDU console, well, the CDU is sitting in a stop. So we affect the water, we shut off the valves, the pumps, all of the information associated with the CDU, and we'll look at the PDU outlet itself, and you'll notice it's in an off position. So this completes basically our leak prevention detection at a cold plate. I just want to thank you for joining me today and learning more about the value proposition and what we're doing of driving the AI revolution and building a management platform that's robust, that can scale to many liquid data centers. Upcoming videos that you'll see is on In-Row CDU. We'll continue to start looking at other use cases around liquid cooled, things such as immersion cooling and others that will be coming down the road here in regards to providing you good content that you can understand that this platform, is it something you want to take into your data center to provide complete lifecycle management. Thank you for joining in again, and I wish you a good day, and we'll see you next time.